Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare as a biology teacher of class 9th. So dear student, today we start new chapter 13. Why do we fall ill? Why do we fall ill? So dear student, first one is the introduction of this chapter. So health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Dear student, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being. Basic conditions for the good health. Dear student, basic condition for good health. First one is a proper balanced and the nutrients diet. Second one is a personal hygiene. Third one is clean environment and the surrounding. Fourth one is healthy air, no pollution in the surrounding. So dear student, the proper balance and the nutrition's diet, personal hygiene, clean environment and surroundings, and healthy air, no pollution in the surrounding. Regular exercise, proper rest, good standard of living and the economic status. So regular exercise, proper rest, good standard of the living and the economic status. So dear student, first one is a disease. Disease when the body is not at ease, the comfortable when it the said to have a disease. When the body is not at is the comfortable, then it is said to have a disease. When there is a disease, the functioning of the appurtenance of one or more system of the body change. When there is a disease, the functioning or the appurtenance of one or more system of the body changes. Depending on the duration, disease is the classified acute or chronic. Dear student, depending on the duration, is disease is classified as the acute or chronic. So acute disease is disease that last for only short period of time. Example of headache and common cold. So acute disease that the last for only short period is a 1 week, 2-3 day, 1 month is a short time. So headache, common cold and etc. So acute disease is a very short period disease for our life. Chronic disease. Chronic disease that last for long time are called chronic disease. Chronic disease that last for long time are called chronic disease. Example, elephantiasis and tuberculosis, etc. So tuberculosis is full short form as a TB. So chronic disease that last for long time are called chronic disease, elephantiasis and tuberculosis, etc. Cases of diseases, immediate case and the contributory cases. Immediately cases and the contributory cases. Immediate cases, the organism that entire our body and case disease is called immediate case. For example, virus, bacteria, protozoa, etc. Immediate cases, the organism that entire our body and case disease is called immediate cases. For example, virus, bacteria and protozoa. Contributory cases, the secondary factors which lead these organisms entire our body are called as the contributory cases. The secondary factors which lead these organisms entire our body are called as the contributory cases. For example, dirty water, unclear surroundings, contaminated food, improper nutrition, and poverty, poor standard of living, etc. So, dear students, contributory cases is very dangerous to the secondary factors which is the lead this organism entire our body are called as the contributory cases. Disease may be due to the infectors. Disease may be due to the infectors and non-infectious cases. infected cases and non-infected cases. First one, infected cases, the disease where microwaves are the immunity, the cases are called infectors, infection disease. The infections is feared from one person to another. Infectious cases, disease where the microwaves are the immediate, the cases are called infections disease. The infection is feared from one person to another. Second one, non-infectious cases. Non-infectious cases, the some disease that do not spread in the community but remain internal are called non-infectious disease. Non-infectious case, some disease that do not spread in the community but the remain internal are called non-infectious disease. Example, cancer, genetic abnormalities, high blood pressure, etc. Non-infectious disease, example for cancer, genetics abnormalities and high blood pressure, etc. Infectious disease, communicable disease. Infectious disease is another name of the communicable disease. When a disease casing the organism entire our body, it cases the infection. It multiplies and the group in the body is called host and microorganism. Multiplies in the host body. So infectious disease, communicable disease, when a disease casing the organism entire our body, it cases the infection. It multiplies and the group grow in the body is called host and microorganism. Multiplies in the host body. Infectious disease is feared through. Infectious disease is feared through air cases. First one is air, infectious by the air. Cases airborne disease the due to the bacteria, virus, common cold, influenza, measles, and tuberculosis. So by air, cases airborne disease due to the bacteria, virus, common cold, influenza, measles, and tuberculosis. Food and water, second one is food and water. So is case due to the contaminated food and the water that contains the bacteria, virus, worm, etc. Example, cholera, typhoid, and hepatitis. Food and water is case due to contaminated food and water that contains bacteria, virus, worm, etc. Example, cholera, typhoid, and hepatitis. Content. Contact. Contact, many diseases is feared by the contact of infected person with the healthy person. Many disease is feared by contact of infected person with the healthy person. Examples, fungal infection, skis, etc. AIDS and the spirals is feared due to the sexual contact. AIDS and spirals is feared due to the sexual contact. Body fluid, body fluids, the body fluids like blood, semen, mother milk when the infected can also case disease. Example, AIDS. Body fluids, the body fluids like blood, semen, mother's milk when infected can also cases the disease. Examples, AIDS. So dear student, today this topic is complete. I, I send you the PDF file for your homework. So complete your work and send me before 8 o'clock. Thank you.